Good day everyone. Our topic is institution-based and non-institution-based corrections. So what is institution-based and non-institution-based correction? So number 1, institution-based correction. It refers to the means of correcting an individual by placing him/her to an institution or place where he/she can be treated well until he/she becomes fully recovered and accepted by the community. So in this place, the prisoner will be helped to para magbago. Then when they are fully recovered and they will be accepted by the community. It refers to confined systems where offenders are confined in facilities such as prison, jails, or juvenile detention centers. If an accused has been involved in several forms of offenses, therefore be arrested to the community, then he be incarcerated and corrected inside the jail rather to enjoy the benefits of community-based rehabilitation program. So if you are a inmate na madami nang nagawang kasalanan and so risky ka na, you will be confined and they will incarcerate you in the jail and not in the community. This institution aim to rehabilitate, punish, or isolate offenders from society to ensure public safety. So now, there are 3 government agencies that handle institutional corrections. So these are the three government agencies. Number 1, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, or BJMP, under the Department of Local and Interior Local Government. Number 2 is the Local Government Units, Provincial Jail, which are under the supervision of provincial governors. And last, the Bureau of Correction, or BUCOR, under the Department of Justice. Government entities or agencies that handle institutional corrections are responsible for managing and overseeing correctional facilities where offenders are confined. Noteworthy that while it is true that provincial jails are institutions for inmates sentenced to term 6 months and 1 day to 3 years. This is so because as early as 1910, the first provincial jail system was established during the American regime. In the view of said system, every province was mandated by the American colonizers to establish its own provincial jail under its provision and control. On the other hand, municipal district and city jails are under the supervision and control of the BJMP. These jails handle prisoners whose imprisonment does not exceed 3 years. They are not under the supervision and control of BJMP, but rather of local government units, or LGUs, under the supervision of provincial governors. So bear in mind that those who are convicted to 3 years and 1 day or longer are under the supervision and control of the Bureau of Corrections.